So I would like to try to take an entry or for a decrease in orders. The percentage allows it. Let's start with 2 minutes entry down. Then we'll see how to continue. Maybe 4 minutes. For what reason?
A link to all the information is on the YouTube profile.
So first of all, we have a good trending movement here. As we understand, after making a new low, we have a correction after which we do not go up again, right? That is, we do not have a breakdown. We continue with the trend. We approach this low again. For what purpose? To bounce off it? Incorrect attempt. To break through it and continue the trend? Yes, as we have done before. We approach with a good full-bodied candle. The only downside is that a divergence is lighting up. The divergence more or less indicates that it is not a strong divergence. The candle shows the number of buyers doesn't increase, but sellers increase. So based on the volume and the candle, I can conclude that the movement lower can pass through. There is still some distance to the minimum. We haven't even reached it yet. In the cluster, the area of interest at the top is not supportive. This is not very good for the seller. At the moment of closing, we are closing on the buyer. A buyer appears from below. We can see them now, but if it were a strong buyer, they would have shown themselves. And for now, they are drawing some kind of cross here, right? So I did not see a strong buyer here. That's all. A ton of facts to try to update its minimum 43 up seconds. So what do we have here? We had a buyback like this here. The buyback was on a volume twice as large as now. That is indeed, there was significantly more interest in buying and selling back then. I can assume that there might also be some liquidity at these price levels. And after breaking this minimum, a pullback may occur. Overall, I understand that according to the trend, of course, it would be desirable to take the main minimum made on the news, after which, by the way, look at how the price soared and how long it has been moving since. There is definitely some buyer here. Overall, I understand where this movement is heading. That's all for the analysis. We took the profit, returned the amount. I'm going to look for the next situation.
A link to all the information is on the YouTube profile.